Good morning to the respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am going to speak about National Unity Day. To begin with, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel gave us Ek Bharat. Indians now have to collectively make Shresth Bharat. National Unity Day is observed on the 31st of October every year all over India. It is celebrated to memorize the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who united the nation. National Unity Day is also called Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The day was introduced by the Government of India in 2014 to mark the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year marks the 146th birth anniversary of Patel. Sardar Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat. He played a crucial role in India's freedom movement and the integration of around 550 princely states into the Indian Union. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. National Unity Day is observed to acknowledge the efforts of Patel to unite the nation. India is a land of various religions, cultures, traditions, languages, etc. Though our country is a land of diversities, it is important to be united. The day spreads awareness about the importance of national unity. On Sardar's 143rd birth anniversary, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Statue of Unity in Gujarat. It is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is the tallest statue in the world with a height of 182 meters. On this day, every citizen of the country should take the pledge of national unity to preserve the unity, integrity, and security of the nation. Jai Hind. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel.